Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Gaggia Academia espresso machine. Now we're just testing this machine. This machine just came through. The reason it is here is because it didn't turn on. We're just testing it right now, and as you can see, it's on. And we're gonna do some coffee, do some hot water, and then some steam. See that the coffee sensor is working as well. You can see that. We added more coffee to it. We're doing it again. Good water flow coming out of the machine. Good color. Good amount as well. Draws container sensor works. Now we're gonna use the hot water. Working perfectly fine. And now the steam. The pressure. The steam working perfectly fine, having good pressure, excellent temperature as well. Water sensor works as well. And there you have it, that concludes the test. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more content every day.